Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Let me just secure my front door here. Today we're doing things a little bit different. We're just gonna have a little bit of a chit chat. So I'm just going out to run some errands, testing out a not so new to me camera. I've actually had this one for about a year now. I'm actually on my third one. I'm not gonna point out what brand it is, but I think some of you can kind of already guess what we're dealing with here. But the first camera I got right out the box, it had issues where it was just inexplicably corrupting all of my data and causing me to lose precious hours, if not days, of content. Let's get some AC on here. I hope you guys can still hear me. Plus, this is a lot safer as it allows me to film and I have a camera in my hand. I don't want to be getting tickets for fooling around with devices while driving. I always want to be hands-free in the situation. Whee! Ah, you guys hear that? Still burning rubber. Anywho. So like I mentioned, today we're gonna have a little bit of a chit chat or just simply brainstorming. So this video is kind of special. It's video 100, guys. Yes, we have 100 videos down as of this one. And it's been one hell of a journey. We've seen a lot, experienced a lot, and done a lot with the R50. And there's even more that's going to be happening. And what that more is, I can't exactly give you right now because I don't know what we're going to do. I just know that we plan on doing a lot more in terms of content and building the R50 up, making it better than what it is, to suit my personal need. Again, there's a lot of enthusiasts out there that have a particular idea and direction on what their R50 should look like, how it should function, and what purpose it serves. For me, this vehicle was mainly acquired just to be able to get out more and do more and get to more off-beaten places. So hopefully this camera doesn't corrupt any of our content. It's been really hard for me to trust using these cameras with these SD cards because they're so fragile. I mean, if you even sneeze, your footage is gone. So hopefully everything holds together and I can get this video out to you guys. It won't be too long of a video. No, I'm not modifying anything today. We're not going to the junkyard or anything like that. Hell, we're not even going camping, which I do miss. I haven't been camping in approximately 3 weeks. And that's mainly because of my schedule and things that I have to do. You know, life sometimes just gets in the way of all the fun. Never mind that noise that you guys hear in the background there. That's just my wind fairing vibrating. My Nana gets freaked out every time she gets in my truck and she hears this noise. It doesn't do it every single time I'm riding down the road. It just mainly does it when there's a headwind. And to be quite honest, I've gotten used to it. So I just kind of, you know, mentally block it out. So what's next for the R50? Right now, we're just trying to make sure that the vehicle is roadworthy, which it is. I have no check engine light. Everything that could be an issue for me, reliability-wise with my R50 has almost been addressed. We still have tons of suspension work to do, mainly up front. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need some new control arms. Those bushings are all pretty much rotted and gone. The 4 links in the rear, those are pretty much new. The only one that we haven't touched is the driver's side upper link because somehow, I don't know how, but it's still holding on. Haven't had any issues there. So now the old saying goes, if it's not broken, don't fix it, right? So there's that. One of the main things that I'd like to address, hopefully soon, is comms. I already have a CB radio that I'm planning on using. Hell, I even have an antenna already. The only thing that we're missing is the antenna cable and essentially where we're gonna mount things. I even have a mounting bracket for a particular setup that I wanna do. I'm not gonna mention it right now. You guys are just gonna have to keep watching to see what it is. It's not a secret, it's just that I don't want to spoil it for you guys, you know. I want you to be able to see this stuff. All right, so we're gonna go in here and use the ATM, and I'll be right back.
Just make sure you get debit on there.
Oh, yeah. Now, I know some of you have been wanting to see a POV of me driving around in the R50. That's gonna be kind of tricky until I get some better mounting equipment for my camera here. But once I get set equipment, you guys will probably be seeing a lot more of that action. I know some people may think that my R50 is a unicorn. I get it, you know, because it's like I'm telling you it's a 5-speed. You guys may or may not have seen in previous videos, you know, shifting through gears, slamming through gears. So that might be something that'll be coming down the pipeline soon. I might have to enlist the help of my wife to get the filming done. And then there's the question of scheduling, because I don't always have time available to edit, and anyone that does YouTube videos, you guys know it takes a lot of time and energy to create these videos. Forget filming, that's just the easy part. But actually getting down to the nitty-gritty and getting the content chopped and screwed and uploaded, it's quite time consuming. I'm not complaining, I love doing it, but it's a lot of work. And sometimes I just don't have time to sit there for God knows however many hours I'm gonna need to go through all these clips and try and narrow everything down and make it one nice, concise video for you guys. Come on, dude, it's my right of way. Wait your turn. Oh, we have such bad drivers here in Vegas. I'm not exactly an impatient driver. I always try to take my time, because if I'm not doing so, the other guy, I can guarantee that they're not taking their time to do anything. So I'd rather get somewhere late than not at all. I'm trying to preserve a piece of history here. Yeah, it's a scorcher here in Vegas today. I think right now we're at about 100 degrees. Oh, look at Camper Dan. It's looking so good right now. I like keeping things somewhat stock, although it's pretty far from stock now as it sits. But I'm pretty happy and content. with where my rig is. And like I said, it's not so much about looks, it's more about function and what suits my needs. If you guys have been accompanying me on this journey since the beginning, you know that we fixed quite a bit. And I'm pretty sure there's even more that we're gonna fix. But essentially, what's to come for the channel and Camper Dan, my R50 Pathfinder? My answer to this question is that you're gonna have to keep watching, because I don't know. I try to let things come together organically on the channel. Yes, I do an awful lot of planning, but ask me how much of that planning actually goes according to plan. Zero goes according to plan. But I find that when I let things come together or happen organically, it tends to pan out a lot better. So we'll see. So yeah, guys, this is gonna be a short one. And if you like this kind of content, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend, tell your neighbor, tell everybody that you know.